choke down.
Steven.
That's their power player, Steven.
Putting that up with the miss. She knows it the other way.
Empty side.
The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures.
Severe storms to your weekend plans.
No one in North Central Montana can quote.
Experience you can trust technology you can count on. KRTV Storm Tracker Weather, Montana's most accurate.
You flip, but they flop. You flip, but they flop. Hi, Mark Hill here with a perfect...
Civil authorities in your area have reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking the living. Follow the messages on screen that will be updated as information becomes available. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. This warning applies to all areas receiving this broadcast. Tune in to 9:20 a.m. to get updated information in the event that you are separated from your television or if electrical service is interrupted.
authorities have issued hazardous materials warning for the United States effective until September 29, Air